Hello everyone, welcome to the new video, and today we're gonna take a look at some amazing drivers like this one. And also I found some interesting fun facts about traffic, so let's get started. Alright, here's the first one. Millionaire Michael O'Leary, I hope I said it right, CEO of an airline, has his own taxi cab company with just one cab, so he can legally use the bus lanes and avoid traffic jams. Mind blowing. I guess modern problems require modern solutions, so there you go. And if you have similar problems, now you have the solution, so there you go. Let's find another one. Let's see. Wealthy Russians hire fake ambulances for 200 bucks an hour to get through traffic. Not bad, not bad. This one is similar to the previous one, but in this case you don't have to open your own company. So on to the next one. The person who invented the stop sign, the pedestrian crosswalk, the traffic circle, the one-way street, the taxi stand, and the pedestrian safety islands, William Phelps, never learned how to drive. I mean, why would he? When he can just pay 200 bucks for a fake ambulance and then he can go wherever the hell he wants. So, yeah, there's that. Let's find another one. Oh, this one is interesting. In Finland, traffic fines are proportionate to the latest available data on offenders' income. In 2002, Nokia director got a $100,000 fine for breaking the speed limit in Finland, of course. He was driving 75 in 50 kilometers per hour zone. That's a huge fine. That's basically a new supercar like Nissan GTR or something like that. Let's move on. This is a good one. There was a traffic jam in China that lasted 9 days and 100 kilometers. Damn. This brings traffic jams to a whole another level, you know? And you're complaining about 1 or 2 hours traffic jam. It's nothing compared to this one. 9 days. Imagine you have to wait 9 days in a traffic jam in your car. Damn. I would probably jump off the bridge or something. And now that's all I've got for today about those fun facts. You know, I need to save some for the future videos. So now we're just gonna watch the rest of the video and yeah. Let's see here. Oh, ouch, yo, this hurts. The ladder was sliding all over the place, and then you saw how it ended. Whoop, 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 whoop. That one was unusual to say at least. Ooh, but this one was hard. Damn. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Already I see some racing drivers, if you know what I mean. Oh, he stopped time. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. This guy is using some drugs. And it's probably the wrong ones. His dealer ripped him off. Let's see here. Boop! It looks like he waited for him. That's probably his neighbor and he's like, this is for throwing trash in front of my door, you little bastard. Let's move on to this one. Oh, Is this guy asleep or... Oh, damn. I'm not gonna say anything about this one. Oh, I thought the last one was bad. Damn, that was unexpected. His name is John Cena. That's actually not a lot of damage considering how fast he was going, you know. Oh, I wonder if, you know, Truck Edition... Tokyo Drift, you know. Oh, let's see here. This is America. Who's gonna make a mistake? Not that guy. And... Boop. Jesus. Are you blind or something? What's gonna happen here? There's my answer to that. An old Audi, nice, with a big fart can exhaust. Oh, he opened his door. Damn, son. Let's see here. And Lada Niva. Yeah. Look how that Niva is looking in the camera, like, why you have to do this? Why me? Sorry for that, we have some technical issues. Now everything is good. Let's see here. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, that Audi. Oh shit. Oh. Hell no. I thought that Audi was being an a-hole, you know, like usual. But this is not the case. He was running away from that truck. Damn. Boop. This is what happens when two impatient drivers meet. Yep. Boom. They were running the yellow light. Both of them, I guess. Oh, 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 oh. That was good reaction from that guy in a red truck. That was close for him. But unfortunately that bus wasn't so lucky. Let's see here. Who's gonna make a move first? And yeah. Boom. Now you're on 4 wheels, and now you're on 2. Let's put it that way. Over the double solid line. What the hell is going on there? What? Can someone explain me what the hell is going on there? And here, please, I need an explanation. He spun out or something, I don't know. Oh, damn, that was some crazy, you know what. I can't swear in the videos because you know how YouTube works. Oh, that was an a-hole move, a douchebag move. If you miss your exit, just go. You'll find another one, I'm sure. You spin me right around. Let's see here. Power! Oof. That was a really stupid move. And now it's time to wrap up the video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.